Next, we want to draft the sleeve. To draft the sleeve, I will use this Edit Pattern tool to measure these armhole. Simply click one right there, press on Shift and click one right here. And if we look at over here, in the property editor, we see the measurement here, 45.85. And referring to the formula, we will divide that by 2 and subtract 4. And now it is 18.93. So to draft a sleeve, simply use the rectangle tool here, click on it to select, and then click one on the page. And I'm going to type in the width of 18.93, press on the tab key, and the sleeve length is 60. I'm going to click on OK. So next we want to create 2 internal lines, one from the top, one from the center. Simply use this Edit Pattern tool, click on the top one right here, right click, and select Offset as internal line. And we want to change the value to 12, which is perfect. And we want to uncheck this reverse direction and click on OK. Next, I'm going to click one right here on the center line, right click, select Offset as internal line. And I'm going to type in the value here to 13 and click on OK. Next, let's convert them to baseline. Simply right click and convert to baseline. And we also want to log them. And after that, let's draw the sleeve shape. Simply use this internal polygon slash line tool, click one right here to start, and then zoom in a little, click one right here, and then click twice here to end. Next, we want to create the curve. Simply use this Edit Curvature tool here, click, drag it up, and switch the tool to Edit Pattern tool. We want to perfect this shape, okay? So far, we have 22, 83, so a total length here, 45.88. One half is 22.93. So we want to turn this up to 22.93. And that is it, guys. So 22.93. Next, we want to cut and unfold. Simply use the Transform Pattern tool. Click right here, right click, and select Cut. Let's remove this pattern piece that we don't need and simply unfold them using this Edit Pattern tool. Click one right here, right click, and then select Unfold. And let's bring this down a little. Okay, so I'm going to come over here to this display menu and turn on the ruler so we can create the guideline here. Simply click one right here and then drag it down. We want to have these aligned to each other, which is a little bit prettier.